Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum. Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start Mathematics SSC 2. In our today lesson, new syllabus, PTB Book Foundation, Mathematics SSC 2, Unit number 1 in Quadratic Equations. Now we can solve according to SLO base or FBISC requirement exercise 1.2 question number 1 part 4 to 7. In previous part we can solve question number 1 part 1 to 3. In part 2 we can solve question number 1 part 4 to 7. Let's start the today lesson. Exercise 1.2. Question number 1 in 4 parts. 4x square minus 3x minus 14 is equal to 0. And standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing both equations and comparing the coefficient of x square, x and coefficient or constant term. Then we have find the value of a, b and c. Here a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 14. So by quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. Now putting the value of a, b and c in quadratic formula. Then x is equal to minus into value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 whole square minus 4 multiplied by value of a 4 multiplied by minus multiplied by value of c minus 14. So divided by 2 multiplied by 4. Now we can arrange and solve the equation. Then we have x is equal to minus into minus 3 plus minus minus 3 whole square minus 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by minus 14 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. So x is equal to minus minus plus plus minus minus 3 square root minus 3 whole square is 9 plus minus 20 14 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 224 divided by 8. So x is equal to 3 plus minus 9 plus 224 square root divided by 8. Then x is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 233 divided by 8. Then the solution set of given equation 4x square minus 3x minus 14 is equal to 0 is 3 plus minus square root of 233 divided by 8. Now we can solve question number 1 part 5. In question number 1 part 5, given equation 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0, where ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. Now we compare the given equation and standard form of quadratic equation, then comparing the coefficient of x square comma x and constant term. Then a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 3. After comparing the coefficients of x square, x and constant term. Now using the quadratic formula, then x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now putting the value of a, b and c in quadratic formula, then x is equal to minus into value of b is minus 7 plus minus square root of minus 7 whole square minus 4 value of a is 6 multiplied by value of c is minus 3 divided by 2 multiplied by value of a is 6. Then after putting the value of a, b and c in quadratic formula, then x is equal to minus minus plus 7 plus minus square root of 7 minus 7 square root whole square is equal to 49 minus minus plus 6 fours are 24, 24 threes are 72. So 7 plus minus square root of 49 plus 72 upon 12. Then x is equal to 7 plus minus 49 plus 72 is 121 divided by 12. So taking square root of 121, answer is 11. Then x is equal to 7 plus minus 11 upon 12. This implies that x is equal to 7 plus 11 divided by 12, that is equal to 7 plus 11 18 upon 12 is equal to 6 threes are 18 and 6 twos are 12. So this implies that x is equal to 3 upon 2, or if x is equal to 7 minus 11 upon 12. So 11 minus 11 plus 7, that is equal to minus 4 upon 12. 4 ones are 4 divided by 4 threes are 12. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Here two values x is equal to 3 upon 2 and x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Then solution set of given equation x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0 is solution set is 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Now we will move the question number 1 part 6. Given equation 3x square plus 8x plus 2 is equal to 0 and standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now comparing the coefficient and find the value of a, b and c. Comparing coefficient x square x and coefficient constant term. Then a is equal to 3, b is equal to 8 and c is equal to 2. Now by quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now putting the value of a, b and c in quadratic formula, then x is equal to minus value of b is 8 plus minus square root of 8 whole square minus 4 multiplied by value of a is 3 multiplied by value of c is 2 divided by 2 multiplied by value of a is 3. Then x is equal to minus 8 plus minus 8 whole square root of 8 whole square minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. So x is equal to minus 8 plus minus 8 square 64, 4 threes are 12 and 12 twos are 24 minus 24. So divided by 6. Then x is equal to minus 8 plus minus square root of 64 minus 24 divided by 6. Now x is equal to minus 8 plus minus square root of 40 divided by 6. Here 40 is 4 multiplied by 10. Then square root of 4 is 2. We have x is equal to minus 8 plus minus 2 into 10 square root divided by 6. Here taking 2 common, then we have x is equal to 2 into minus 4 plus minus square root of 10 divided by 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. After simplifying, x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 10 square root divided by 3. So the solution set of given quadratic equation 3x square plus 8x plus 2 is equal to 0 is minus 4 plus minus square root of 10 divided by 3. Now today last question, question number 1 part 7. In question number 1, 7 part in the form of friction. First of all, we solve and change the in standard form equation. Then in question number 1, 7 part, 3 upon x minus 6 minus 4 upon x minus 5 is equal to 1. Taking LCM, then we have x minus 6 into x minus 5. So 3 multiplied by x minus 5 minus 4 multiplied by x minus 6 is equal to 1. Here this term move on other side, it will be multiplied with 1. Then equation in the form of 3 into x minus 5 minus 4 into x minus 6 is equal to into x minus 6 into x minus 5. Now simplifying the equation, 3 multiplied by x, 3x minus 3 5s are 15 minus 4 multiplied by x minus 4x minus minus plus 6 multiplied by 4 24 is equal to x multiplied by x square and x multiplied by minus 5 minus 5x and minus 6x minus minus plus 30. So here 4 minus 4x plus 3x, answer is minus x, and 24 minus 15 is equal to plus 9. So left hand side is minus x plus 9 is equal to right hand side x square minus 11x plus 30. Solving and rearranging this equation, then we have x square minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0 after solving and arranging. Then we have write the equation x square minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0 in standard form. And also ax square plus bx plus c is the standard form of quadratic equation. Then we have comparing the coefficient on both sides and find the value of a, b and c. Then we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10 and c is equal to 21 after comparing the coefficient of x square, x and constant. Then we using the quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now putting the value of a, b, c in quadratic formula, then x is equal to minus into value of b is minus 10 plus minus square root of minus 10 whole square minus 4 multiplied by value of a is 1 multiplied by value of c is 21 divided by 2 multiplied by value of a is 1. So we can solve x is equal to minus minus plus 10 ones are 10 plus minus minus 10 square is positive 100 minus 4 multiplied by 21, 84 divided by 2. So x is equal to 10 plus minus 100 minus 84 divided by 2. So x is equal to 10 plus minus 16 square root divided by 2. Here square root of 16 is 4. Then we have x is equal to 10 plus minus 4 upon 2. This implies that either x is equal to 10 plus 4 divided by 2 or x is equal to 10 minus 4 divided by 2. So this implies that x is equal to 10 plus 4, 14 divided by 2, or x is equal to 10 minus 4 divided by 2 is 6 divided by 2. So x is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, and x is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So we have the solution set of given equation x is equal to 7 or 3. So the required solution set 7 or 3. Best of luck. Subscribe our channel for more video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.